Pick.
Go. Okay, we're picking out candles for our birthday
one
cake.
One candle, right?
One candle, because we're 1 year old.
Okay, yellow it is.
Looks like
Yeah.
yellow.
Yellow? Okay, because they're
Right
yellow cars. And it's the first birthday of our website, NASCARcamping.com. And look at the puzzle that Erica and Mommy did. It's Daytona 500, 50 years. Yeah, NASCAR, the great American race.
And it says 2008 right there.
2008? Oh, it doesn't.
Should we light?
Should we light? Okay, we're going to light it.
Light.
There we go.
Now we sing.
And we're going to sing, okay? Ready? Wait,
What do we
have
sing?
2, 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday, dear NASCARcamping.com website. Happy birthday to us. Now everybody wave. Wave hi. Thank you everybody for being on our website. We had a great first year and let's look forward to another great year. And now, who's going to blow it out? Who's going to blow it out?
All three of us.
All three of us?
do it too.
Okay, ready?
Okay,
Oh, by the way, that right there is Mrs. Camping, and that right there is Mrs. Junior Camping.
The daughter.
The daughter, the boss, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Harder, 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 harder. Yay! You guys need practice.
It's been a long time since our birthday.
I haven't blown the candle since I was 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Mommy, who's your favorite driver?
Jimmie Johnson.
Jeff Gordon.
Jim, really?
No, what?
Jeff Gordon. Yeah.
Jeff
Gordon.
Jimmie Johnson and Matt Kenseth. I have 3.
But all 3 of them.
I have 3.
Yeah, and Erica, who's yours?
Jeff Gordon. Jeff Gordon. Yeah. Jeff Gordon.
All right, that's all for now. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye.